Hey guys, I'm Brady, and this is the 1/32 scale remote-controlled New Holland Crawler Excavator E2158 from New Ray. This is a really fun model that's got a lot of cool details, including working hydraulics. Hydraulic rods that are actually metal instead of plastic, which makes them a lot more durable. This arm extends nearly a foot when fully extended. This body is also positionable in a wide variety of ways. There are moving rubber tracks, which is probably one of the coolest features of this model, as well as the New Holland logo featured on the boom and here on the back. This remote control is really simple to operate. It's only got 3 controls, and so it makes a really simple but awesome addition to your child's RC collection. That's just a quick look at the New Holland Crawler Excavator E2158 from New Ray.